How can one develop that bhakti? And especially this really achieved bhav, human bhav, durlabha manusha dhamma, is made for developing that bhakti, pure devotion, Sudha. Without that, pure bhakti, nobody can get Krishna. This prem bhakti is said to be the fifth purusartha, the supreme purusartha, pancham purusartha, param purusartha, labdha sudalo yedam bhusham vanti, manasya marthada manitya matya dhira. 11th kind of how to say this thing. After undergoing lots of spiritual life, one gets a chance to get this really achieved bhav, human bhav. Purpose is to develop your bhakti, Sudha bhakti, and what is human life made for getting Krishna. This is only purpose.